Hey there, it's Kenzie from Details to Enjoy, and today I'm going to be showing you how we made this project with our Let Freedom Ring word kit. This is what's included in the word kits. You have your 3D letters and words, you have your template, which is going to help you place your letters. You have a little card with some FAQs and tips and tricks for doing your word kit, and then you have the black paper, which again, this is just for packaging, so I'm just going to go ahead and recycle that. I'm going to start by painting my letters, and again, I'm going to be using the dark navy color by Behr and a foam brush to apply the paint. And just like earlier, I am working with a very light coat of paint so that it dries quickly, making sure I don't have too much paint on my brush, and actually getting rid of most of the excess paint before I move to my piece. That way I don't get a lot of paint on the sides here, which I'm just going to be keeping black. And then once I have this all painted, I'm going to be distressing the letters. And now that it's all dry, I can go in with my sanding sponge and distress these. So for this project, I just got a frame from the store, and then I'm going to be framing this print of My Country 'Tis of Thee sheet music, and then on the outside of the glass, I'm going to add my 3D letters. And here is this project all done. This was really simple and fun, and from start to finish, it probably only took me about 20 minutes, including painting, sanding, and getting it all put together.